In a world driven by globalization and interconnectedness, there is one unsung hero that has revolutionized the way goods are transported and shaped the modern economy: the freight container. It all began in the mid-20th century when a simple yet ingenious idea changed the world forever. Standardized shipping containers were introduced, transforming the logistics industry and facilitating the efficient movement of goods across the globe. These sturdy steel giants come in various sizes, but their design remains consistent, allowing them to be seamlessly transferred from ships to trucks, trains, and even planes. This standardized approach brought about a paradigm shift in the world of transportation. Container harbors have become the lifeline of global trade, serving as massive transshipment hubs where goods from every corner of the world converge. These bustling centers handle millions of containers annually, ensuring the uninterrupted flow of goods and keeping the world's economies thriving. Containers provide an intermodal solution, seamlessly transferring goods from one mode of transport to another. Trucks, trains, and even barges serve as the arteries of transportation, carrying these containers to their final destinations. Beyond the massive ships and sprawling harbors, containers have also transformed the last-mile delivery process. Whether it's a small package dropped at your doorstep or a shipment delivered to a warehouse, containers ensure that goods reach their intended recipients swiftly and efficiently. It's not just the efficiency and scale that make containers remarkable. They have created a truly interconnected world, bridging distant lands and fostering economic growth. Today, goods can travel from factories in one corner of the world to retail shelves in another, effortlessly traversing continents and oceans. The humble freight container has become an unsung hero, quietly shaping our globalized world. From its humble beginnings to its indispensable role in today's economy, the container has left an indelible mark on the way we live, work, and connect with one another. Truly, the world would be a different place without these steel giants.